Well, good morning YouTube channel. It's Belmont here. And this morning, this morning I received a little gift in the mail. This comes by way of a Mr. B. Carroll. And it's a rather lovely American lock, in which on eBay I thought it was an 1100 series, but upon inspection after receiving it, we have a 1205. Here is the number for the key, 5-pin, and here we have a look at the bitting. Not too bad looking. And of course the box. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Well, good old Milwaukee's got some good beer too. And of course this came through eBay, which I was not expecting until the 8th, but having it show up 3 days early is not bad either. Also, for posterity for the video, we have my only 3 bump keys for American locks. Got AM3. Got a AM7, so nice little 5-pinner, 6-pin, and AM3R reverse 5-pinner. And the reverse keys, you can see the difference. One side flat, the other side grooved, thus showing it's reverse. Well, this is just a short video. I've got some tolerances to work out with this American lock. Whether that means I'm going to have to work on some single pin picking or try and rake it to death. But time will tell. So, again, I would like to thank Mr. B. Carroll for their generous purchase. It was not that expensive, I will admit. And it's very pretty. It's very sturdy. And we'll be working up as many ways to bypass this as well. So more knowledge to learn. So, this is Belmont saying, stick around.